The 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid Touring is more than just a new model. It represents a fresh evolution of a beloved icon. For nearly 5 decades, the Honda Civic has been the go-to car for reliability, efficiency, and smart design. Now, Honda has pushed that legacy further by merging traditional engineering excellence with the precision of hybrid technology. The result is a sedan that feels familiar yet futuristic, comfortable, powerful, and environmentally conscious at the same time. In an era where drivers are seeking a balance between performance and responsibility, the 2025 Civic Hybrid Touring steps in as the perfect middle ground. Under the hood lies Honda's latest 2-motor hybrid powertrain, paired with a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine. This setup works seamlessly to deliver instant torque, impressive fuel economy, and a quiet yet confident driving experience. Together, the gas engine and electric motors produce smooth, linear acceleration while achieving a combined fuel economy that surpasses 45 miles per gallon. There's no jerky shifting, no lag, just a clean, refined surge of power whenever you need it. The hybrid system switches effortlessly between electric and gasoline power, giving the driver the sensation of fluid motion and control. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city traffic, the Civic Hybrid makes every journey efficient and calm. Step inside, and you'll discover one of the most refined cabins ever offered in a Civic. The Touring trim feels upscale, with soft-touch materials, leather upholstery, and elegant metallic accents. The dashboard layout is minimalist yet purposeful, dominated by a crisp 9-inch infotainment screen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster delivers sharp graphics, while the Bose premium audio system transforms even the daily commute into an immersive experience. Honda's ergonomic design shines here. Every control is intuitively placed, and visibility is excellent from every angle. Heated seats, wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, and ambient lighting all come standard in this trim, making it feel more like a luxury compact than a simple commuter car. Driving the 2025 Civic Hybrid Touring is where the real joy begins. Honda's engineers have perfectly balanced ride comfort and driving engagement. The steering feels precise and natural, and the suspension absorbs bumps gracefully without losing road feel. When you take a corner, the Civic responds instantly, keeping the driver connected without unnecessary harshness. Unlike some hybrids that feel numb or overly assisted, this one feels genuinely alive. The transition between regenerative braking and traditional braking is smooth and predictable, a testament to Honda's refined hybrid tuning. It's a car designed for drivers who still enjoy the act of driving, even while being efficient. From the outside, the Civic Hybrid Touring carries the same confident, mature design language that has defined recent Honda models. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights, a bold yet elegant grille, and clean lines that flow from nose to tail. The proportions are just right, sporty but not aggressive, modern but not over-designed. The Touring trim stands out with 18-inch alloy wheels, subtle chrome details, and a discreet rear spoiler. Every angle speaks of aerodynamic efficiency and timeless style. It's the kind of car that looks just as good pulling up to the office as it does gliding down a coastal road at sunset. Safety and technology have also taken a leap forward. Every 2025 Civic Hybrid Touring comes equipped with the full Honda Sensing Suite, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, and collision mitigation braking. Traffic jam assist and blind spot monitoring further enhance driver confidence, especially during long trips or urban commutes. These systems operate quietly in the background, ensuring maximum protection without intruding on the driving experience. In many ways, the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid Touring redefines what a compact sedan can be. It's no longer just about affordability or practicality. It's about refinement, sustainability, and the joy of driving. The hybrid system isn't there just to save fuel. It's there to enhance performance and smoothness. Honda has managed to build a car that feels premium without being pretentious, efficient without being dull, and modern without losing the Civic's essential charm. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and real-world usability, the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid Touring delivers it all. It's the car that proves hybrids don't have to be boring. They can be intelligent, stylish, and genuinely exciting to drive. In a market flooded with SUVs and electric hype, the Civic Hybrid stands tall as a reminder that balance is still the smartest form of progress.